TradingView is known for one of the best web-based trading platforms. However, do you know what the heat map is and how to access the heat map within TradingView? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get the heat map on TradingView and how you can use it in your own trading. Now, the way to access the heat map is not going to be by any type of indicator feature. Instead, you want to go to TradingView's homepage, and then right here under products, where it says screeners, you want to go ahead and select that. And then simply come right down here where it says heat map, and we want to go ahead and select stocks. Now, once we do that, we can see by default, it comes up with the S&P 500. This will encompass all of the 500 companies within the S&P 500. However, if we simply click right there where it says S&P 500, we can also use this for the NASDAQ 100. Those of you that join me on the live streams on a daily basis, you know, all the time we're looking at the heat map on a daily basis. And let me show you one of the practical uses for the heat map. If you come right over here, this is how the indices basically closed out on Friday. As we look at all four of the major indices, only one of them was down, and that was the Dow Jones. Well, if we come right back over here to the heat map, we can select where it said NASDAQ, and I want to go ahead and look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I can click on that, and now we can go ahead and quickly see what stocks in the Dow were actually down. We can see Nvidia was down, Boeing was down, Honeywell was down, McDonald's, Disney, J&J, Coca-Cola, Amgen, and basically a lot of the Dow stocks were actually in the red on Friday. And this is a very good tool to basically give us a heads up. All right, what is driving a particular index on the way up or the way down? And we can have this where it actually breaks it down into sectors. You can see right here where it says market cap. You can look at the 1 day performance. We can look at the 1 week performance or even the 1 month performance to see how stocks have done in any particular index. We can also go right here where it says change percentage. Now I have it where it says change the percent. Now you can do the 4 hour, you can do the 1 hour, you can do performance. There's a lot of ways you can customize that. Now, if you want to go ahead and have it where it breaks it up by the sector, you can do, which I currently do. Or if you go no group, it will not show us what sector the stocks are actually in. And I think it's very beneficial to actually show the sector. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below, give the video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want a way to support the channel, check out the links in the description box down below. And if you guys want to find the best prop firm deals out there, go to propfirmmike.com. We can sort by the prop firms, and you can sort by the prop firm challenges to find the evaluation that best suits your needs. And if you want to learn how to trade on TradingView with Take Profit Trader, then you might want to check out this next video right here.